Let's take a look at TPC's Super-Trex 600 volt welding cable. A common problem that many customers face with commodity welding cables, such as the example I have here, is that they use a neoprene jacket separated from the copper stranding by a thin mylar separator. That mylar separator allows this jacket, as the cable is pulled and yanked around, to shrink back or pull back from the terminated end, leaving exposed copper. Very dangerous. At TPC, we don't use a neoprene jacket or a mylar separator. Instead, we use a specially compounded thermoset jacket and a 100% fabric serve. That fabric serve not only allows our jacket to be more tear resistant, it prevents the shrinking or the pulling back of the jacket from the terminated end, making it a much safer cable to use. Next, our jacket is different. That thermoset jacket is actually about 25% thicker than the jacket on most commodity welding cables. Looking at them side by side, you can see there's a clear difference. The TPC Super-Trex 600 volt welding cable clearly is going to be more resistant to impact, abrasion, and weld spatter. Finally, our stranding is different. At TPC, we use a superfine 34 gauge copper strand. This allows our cable to be extremely flexible, even with its 25% thicker, more durable thermoset jacket. We offer our 600 volt welding cable in sizes ranging from 6 gauge to 4/0. To receive a sample or for more information, please visit tpcwire.com.